Here's the 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Spice Red Design 3LZ Coupe. Just 30,000 miles, and there were only 127 of these cars made with that Spice Red design interior. This is Long Beach Red on the exterior. It has the Spice Red interior and visible carbon fiber top. Under the hood, 650 horsepower supercharged LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $8,945 3LZ Preferred Equipment Group. This includes navigation, performance data recorder, Napa leather seating, color-keyed instrument panel, leather-wrapped instrument panel, center console, and door panels. The car has a Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, heated vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door, memory package, front camera, suede microfiber wrapped upper trim package. This car has also the $3,000 Spice Red design package. This includes exclusive Spice Red interior color, Spice Red brake caliper override, pearl nickel blade wheels, Long Beach Red tint coat upcharge, chrome badge package, heads-up display, magnetic selective ride control, rear differential cooler, multi-mode exhaust, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start. This car is absolutely loaded with options. It comes with a clean Carfax, and as we said, this is a stupid rare 2016 Z06 Spice Red design package. It shows just 30,168 miles and is in good condition. Remember, we mentioned this is just one of 127 of the 2016 Corvette Z06 Coupes built with that Spice Red design package. The car's paint is in very good condition, beautiful shine. This is a fabulous car to look at. It has that visible carbon fiber top, which is in very good condition, and the factory wheels are very good as well. The interior of this car with that Spice Red design shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, center console, door panels. The car is completely factory stock. Give one of our sales representatives a call today, and they will help you put this car in your driveway quicker than you can imagine, regardless of where you live. Here at Buy a Vet, we make buying online our business. We ship cars nationwide. So give us a call, buyavet.net, Atlanta, Georgia, at 770-414-5552. One of our experienced sales representatives will be right there to help you with this car. Remember, buyavet.net, Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you real soon.